Welcome back to the nation. We are here about to customize some Safari Camo Louis V Air Force Ones, and we're going to start off with our base coat of light brown, and then after we're done with that, we're going to voila, add the stencils on there, hand place them all just to be able to give you a more unique texture. Again, that Louis V pattern. And then we're going to also go on with some beige, lay that down, take off our stencils just like that. And then now we're going to use some more of that beige to be able to paint in our unique Safari Camo. This was inspired by Virgil when he had his collaboration with Louis Vuitton, RIP Virgil. But I always just wanted to do this custom pair, and my client told me to go ahead and freestyle, but he loves Louis V. So I thought it was the perfect opportunity to bring this custom to life. So now we're just going ahead and just making it more unique. You don't have to make it perfect. That's the thing about camo. You just want to add your own unique patterns and just let it fill it up. So now we're going to add some of that saddle brown, get it in there. We're using a round paintbrush, and when you loading up your paintbrush so you can have to do less coats, just load it up a good amount. Like, be generous but not too crazy, and let that paintbrush flow. Now this one, we use a little bit of the light brown mixed with a little bit of white to be able to add that 3 tones, because when you're doing this type of camo, you want 3 tones. That's just going to give it the most dimensions. And now we're going to be adding in these almost little rock textures. So you're going to go with your flat right. Be generous with that too as well. Just freehand it. Go in, make your own little pattern, what you think looks good, and it's going to flow perfectly. Like, don't overthink this part. Don't overthink it at all. And then use your flat brush. The thing is, to be able to get those more detailed lines, add a little bit less paint and just let less pressure. Anytime y'all want to do thin lines, less paint, less pressure. It's going to get you right every time. And now these bad boys are done. Let me know what y'all thought of how they turned out. We about to see how this voiceover came out for the testing. If it's good, it's good. But make sure that y'all like, comment, subscribe, share, tell your friends, tell everybody. Let them know they need some custom stencils too as well. Your boy will get you right. Until the next video, y'all stay blessed.